Good day, sir. I am Cyril Liblasa and I discuss now about MARPOL Annex 4. Sewage deals with the control of pollution from ships caused by sewage, wastewater from toilets, washroom, etc. The purpose to prevent pollution of the sea by sewage from ships. Apply to ships 400 gross tonnage and above, or ships carrying more than 15 persons. The main requirement. There are three requirements. Number 1. Ship must have a sewage treatment plan, a sewage comminuting disinfecting system, or a sewage holding tank. Number 2. Discharge rules. Treated sewage can be discharged at least 3 nautical miles from the nearest land. Untreated sewage can only be discharged at least 12 nautical miles from land and when the ships en route. Number 3. Ship must have an International Sewage Pollution Prevention ISPP certificate. In short, MARPOL Annex 4 sets the rules to ensure ships properly treat or store sewage so it doesn't pollute the ocean.